This example is quite interesting. Here we will fill standard cases like the ones that we see right now. We will fill them with a list of primary packages, and then these cases will be placed on pallets and then into containers. The first step is to open a new datasheet starting from primary package. Once there, we will make sure that we are working with inches and pounds to be able to use the table that's on the top. The bottom one is for millimeters and kilograms, and centimeters too. Next, we will use the Fill Standard Cases option. Change the pallet to 48 by 40, adjust the height, and now we will use the Load Multiple Packages window. There, we will enter the amount, which will be 12,000. We add the package with the default dimensions, click on Done. Once we have done that, we use Tools, Recalculate, and we will obtain our solutions. Here we see that we have calculated a small number of boxes. We're not going to use this pallet. We're going to create one pallet for each type of box that we created. So we select the pallet and we use Clear. Now we select these boxes at the top. We select them all and then use Tools, Recalculate to create one pallet for each type of box. We can click on any of the pallets and see the ones that were created. We want to pick the one that's most efficient. So we go to Tools, Power Sort, and we will order them. The criterion will be total primary packages per pallet in descending order. Click on OK, and then we pick the first one. That's the most efficient pallet, one that delivered 792 primary packages per pallet. We select it, and then we use the option to create a shipment. This will create as many pallets as we need to ship the 12,000 widgets that we had mentioned before. See that there are a total of 16 pallets, and the last one is incomplete. Now we select them all, Shift, click, and we will fill a container from the Tools menu. Here, the container type that we will pick will be Dry Cargo 40. We click on the second tab, and there we go. We have all 16 pallets in this container, and we have created a shipment.